Presenting a pre-owned 2016 Chevrolet Expressway LT 3500. Get the job done with confidence. The 2016 Chevrolet Expressway LT 3500, power, reliability, and versatility rolled into one. This three-door van has an 8-cylinder, 6.0-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 137,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 11 miles per gallon in the city, and 16 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Introducing the 2016 Chevrolet Expressway LT 3500, your dependable partner for every job. With a robust Vortec 6.0L flex fuel V8 engine boasting 342 horsepower and 373 feet-pounds of torque, it's engineered to handle any task effortlessly. Equipped with a host of factory default features, this van offers a spacious medium pewter interior designed to accommodate both cargo and passengers comfortably. Its summit white exterior exudes professionalism, while the rear-view camera aids in maneuvering through tight spaces. Inside, enjoy amenities like air conditioning, power windows, locks, and a tilt-adjustable steering wheel, along with an AM/FM stereo with MP3 player for entertainment. Safety is paramount with anti-lock brakes, stability control, and side curtain airbags. This Chevrolet Express LT 3500 is not just reliable but also pristine, with a clean Carfax report affirming its trustworthiness. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, battery saver, digital odometer, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, power windows, and window defogger.